Let A1, A2, A3, etc. An be the n vertices of a polygon with the n sides. If the number of pentagons that can be constructed by joining these vertices such that no side of the polygon is a side of the pentagon is 36, then find the value of n, numerical type. Let the continuous vertices be consecutive vertices be A1, A2, A3, etc. An. We have a polygon with n vertices here. Let the first vertex can be any one of the n vertices. Number of ways of choosing the first vertex is n ways. To understand better, let us assume that A1 is one of the first vertex to be chosen. If you choose A1, then we cannot choose A2, we cannot choose An as well. From the remaining n minus 3 vertices, we need to select 4 vertices so that we can form a pentagon. But none of these 4 vertices can be consecutive. So with A1 as one vertex, let us assume the second vertex of the pentagon is to the right of A2. We are not selecting A2. So from the remaining n minus 3, if we select 4 vertices, there will be n minus 7 vertices left aside. Let x1 be the number of vertices to the right of the first vertex out of the 4 vertices, that is between A2 and the first of the 4 vertices. Let x2 be the number of vertices left aside between the second and the third vertex out of the 4 vertices. Let x3 be the number of vertices left in between the third vertex and the fourth vertex. Similarly, x4 and x5 are the vertices which are going to be left aside between A2 and the first vertex, the first vertex and the second vertex and the third vertex and the fourth vertex and An. Let them be x1 plus x2, x3, x4, x5. So those are going to be the number of vertices which are going to be left aside. So out of n minus 3, if you are going to select 4, you will be left aside with n minus 7 vertices. So we have an equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 is equal to n minus 7, where the condition on x1 and x5 are x1 and x5 are greater than or equal to 0, because we are not going to select A2 and we are not going to select An. So even if you select A3, there is a gap between A1 and A3. So the condition on x1 and x5 is both of them have to be greater than or equal to 0. x3, x4, x5 have to be greater than or equal to 1. So let us add a 1 to x1, add a 1 to x5, add a 2 to the right side. So we get x1 plus 1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 plus 1 is equal to n minus 5. Call x1 plus 1 as a y1, x5 plus 1 as a y5. So the condition on y1, x2, x3, x4, y5, all of them have to be greater than or equal to 1. That means we need to find the number of positive integral solutions of the given equation. The number of positive integral solutions is n minus 6 C4. So the number of ways we can select 5 vertices will be, we can select the first vertex in n ways, the remaining 4 vertices so that no 2 vertices are consecutive is n minus 6 C4. But then each one of the pentagon will be counted 5 times. So total number of pentagons with from a polygon with n sides, so that no side coincides with that of the pentagon is given by n into n minus 6 C4 divided by 5, which is equal to 36. So n into n minus 6 into n minus 7 into n minus 8 into n minus 9 divided by 4 factorial into 5, which is 5 factorial, cross multiply. You get this product is equal to 5 factorial into 36. We know that the left hand side is a product of 4 consecutive terms into n. So one way of looking at this 5 factorial into 36 is write it as 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 36. If we take n minus 9 is equal to 2, n minus 8 is equal to 3, n minus 7 is equal to 4, n minus 6 is equal to 5, we get n is equal to 11, but in this case n becomes 36. So this doesn't suit us. Let us try to split it as a product of 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 12, in which case if we take n minus 9 as 3, we get the value of n is equal to 12, which tallies. Therefore, n is equal to 12.